Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord 2. On the front, you can see the phone's name. Let's open the box. First, we have the phone. OnePlus Nord 2 comes with a punch hole display. The phone has a 50 megapixel triple camera setup. You can also see OnePlus logo at the back of the phone. The phone looks super stunning. Next, we have this lid. Inside it, you can see the SIM ejector tool, documentation like a quick start guide, a safety information guide, and a red cable club card. Here is a transparent back cover which will protect your phone. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. A 2-pin wall charger that supports 65 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the OnePlus Nord 2 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.